just want to film a video, but the video gods are just not looking out for you. Yeah. I think I got it. I know I look a little crazy with this lipstick and no lashes, but that's okay because I got this in the mail today. It's a Lashify box. I am very excited, and if I have the time, I plan on filming a video about it today, but you will see. I came up here, I wanted to make this today because I received something really fun in the mail. I got this on Friday and I've been wanting to open it all weekend, but here we are on Monday. I just wanted to have some peace and quiet so I could open it right here. Oh, okay. Definitely some OnlyFans stuff open on that. This is my handy dandy iPad. It's one of those swivel swavels. It's nice, but what I actually bought it for was music and filming. Although the iPad is great, it just doesn't have the same interface as a MacBook or a laptop in general. It has the same interface as an iPhone, so there's certain things that you just can't have on an iPad that you can have on a MacBook. I do have a MacBook, handy dandy. Oh, yeah, my good old MacBook. It's a 2017, I think it's like 128 gig. Not the smartest choice there, I must say. My stupid cord. I am raw dogging it. Got the whole box and everything that it came in. I have not opened it despite being very tempted, but I really wanted to film this. Yes, we have scissors instead of a box cutter. Efficiency. I shouldn't use efficiency because I feel like that's not the right word for what this is. Oh, they made it easy for me. We're opening. Let's see. Oh, this is what we're working with. I got the MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the latest model, and I got the 1 terabyte size. I think this one has the touch bar, which I've heard good and bad things. I should have brought a trash can for all the trash. Here we are. I think they call that recycling. They do. Right, you know what? I'm gonna try to make this as presentable as possible. So I'm pretty sure that YouTube gurus be like throwing away the trash as they go. Let me get the scissors out of the way. I'm learning, guys. I'm still learning, okay? I don't know which way to open it from. These boxes. Okay, first thing, obviously, we've got the 13.3 inch still wrapped in the plastic. We'll lay that carefully down. Comes with your charger, of course. Designed by Apple in California card. Yes, this is a constant. Ooh. Okay, so in here, you've got your information on the MacBook, obviously, and of course, some fun little stickers. Ooh, these are nice. I feel like these have been updated. I like these. And of course, you've got your charging block. So now, weird packaging, I must say. Oh, let me give you guys some looks. Oh, it looks nice with the light. Oh, wow. I gotta say, I do miss the light up Apple though. Got to say, let's open Homegirl up. Did it just talk to me? I swear to God, it just made a noise. That was unexpected. All right, so of course you've got your hello. You've got your touch bar here, which I'm gonna have to get used to. Oh, she's beautiful though. I believe I have a 13-inch already, which is what my 2017 MacBook is, so this is just gonna be a tiny bit of an upgrade when it comes to screen size. But the biggest reason why I got this is for, like I said, editing videos and for music production. So I got one with a large amount of space because couldn't figure out the external hard drive thing, so here we are. I keep wanting to touch it. Well, sis, it's not an iPad. Definitely beautiful.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, okay, thanks. So I think I got this in total, I believe it was like $1,800, $1,839 or something with tax like that. If you buy it straight from Apple, I believe it's $2,000 even. But if you get it from Best Buy, you can get a better price on it. Obviously, it's cheaper if you get something that has a little bit less space, or if you get, you know, something that has more space. The price ranges quite a bit, but you can save a couple $100s if you just shop with Best Buy. Oh my God. So I'm having like the worst time here with my camera. It literally was just like, card memory is full. And I was like, oh, okay, that just happened with a whole other card. But you got it, bro. So anyways, if you shop directly with Best Buy and not Apple, you could save about $200, just giving you guys a heads up. I'm excited to see what I can create with this, obviously. I've been an Apple user for forever, so there's not much more that I'm expecting from this. I'm sad that the front camera only comes with a 720p pixel, but you know, you win some, you lose some. I'm just waiting for the day that they are going to upgrade the MacBook cameras, and that's just that. That's gonna wrap up this video. I was really gonna be down on myself if I didn't do an unboxing video for this MacBook. So that's really it. If you guys want to go out and buy one, go out and buy one. I'll link the prices and the link where I bought mine at Best Buy down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one for yourselves. I am sure I'm going to be plenty happy with this. I'm definitely excited that I made the investment in myself and in my business. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be making some bangers with this one. Very excited, very excited. All right, well, I think that wraps up this one, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm not sure what I'm doing with my hands. I just don't know. I just don't know.